Smoked salmon salad with creamy dill yogurt dressing. Imagine a salad that's not only light and refreshing but packed with luxurious flavor and nutrition. This smoked salmon salad with dill yogurt dressing is the perfect combination of creamy, tangy, and savory, making it an irresistible dish for any meal of the day. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch, a gourmet appetizer, or a healthy dinner, this salad is sure to impress. The star of this dish is, of course, the smoked salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and protein, it pairs beautifully with the crisp greens and vibrant vegetables. The salad is elevated with a creamy yet refreshing dill yogurt dressing that enhances the smoky salmon with a burst of herbal and citrusy goodness. Best of all, this recipe comes together in just minutes, making it a go-to for busy days. Ingredients: serves 2 to 3. 4 ounces smoked salmon, thinly sliced. 4 cups mixed salad greens, arugula, spinach, or romaine. Half red onion, thinly sliced. Half cucumber, sliced. 10 cherry tomatoes, halved. 1/4 cup capers. 1/4 cup toasted almonds or walnuts, optional. 2 boiled eggs, sliced. For the dill yogurt dressing: half cup Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon fresh dill, chopped. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 1 garlic clove, minced. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: begin by preparing the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the Greek yogurt, fresh dill, olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and minced garlic. Add salt and pepper to taste, then set aside to let the flavors meld. Arrange the mixed greens on a large plate or in a bowl. Evenly distribute the sliced red onion, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes. Add the capers for a burst of briny flavor, then scatter the toasted almonds or walnuts for crunch. Carefully place the smoked salmon on top, folding it into delicate ribbons for a visually appealing presentation. Add the sliced boiled eggs for extra protein and a creamy texture. Drizzle the dill yogurt dressing over the salad or serve it on the side. Garnish with extra dill and a lemon wedge for a final touch of freshness. This salad is perfect for a light yet satisfying meal. The smoky, salty salmon pairs wonderfully with the tangy yogurt dressing, while the crisp vegetables and nuts provide balance and texture. Serve it with crusty bread or crackers for added indulgence. Have you ever tried making your own gourmet salads at home? What's your favorite way to enjoy smoked salmon?